Hello, today I thought I'd be talking about this Opinel number 8. I ordered off from eBay. Or do anything. I want to see how good of a spark it throws off from a ferro rod. Or fire starter, as you would say. Does a beautiful spark. Alright, I got some. Still kind of getting used to, twist that open. And just twist to lock it. There's the blade. See how it does on feathering. Again, this is just pine wood. That say does really beautifully. I'm going to just take a corner here and see how it does scraping some of this wood off. That did pretty good, curled it nicely. Seems like that's a pretty good knife so far. Came pretty sharp out of the box. Well, I should say out of the bag. There was no box to it. All that was on there was this tag. Made in France since 1890. But that's my Opinel pocket knife. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and leave your comments. If you'd like, subscribe to this channel and share this video. And thank you. And may God bless you.